Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stop your iPhone screen from dimming. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you are using your phone or playing games and your screen keeps dimming automatically, there is a way to actually turn this off. To do this, what you want to do first is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you see the Accessibility option and then give that a press. In here, what you need to do is look for the Vision section, which is at the top, and then go ahead and press onto Display and Text Size. Now in here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down towards the bottom. At the bottom, there's an option called Auto Brightness. As you can see, by turning off Auto Brightness, this may affect your battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. Auto Brightness basically adjusts the brightness of your screen to match the light in your environment. So by turning this off, your screen's not going to dim and brighten automatically. It's just going to stay at whichever level of brightness you have set in your iPhone control center. So that's basically how you can stop your iPhone screen from dimming. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.